Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
Ka Sarkar Jilla lengba ka Directorate of Mineral Resources, kalashim da ka Sinjam, ka bating ban pensitom mi kinong kayidawyong, ki bade pateng ki transport permit, jongki shaki waipat ki benta. Bat kani ka an, kan long kumju wat kinong thiet. Kanang bandrat dingkong ya ka jingsalan tu yudoyong hakani ka Jilla Meghalaya. Chairman Jongka State Program Implementation and Monitoring Committee usaleng sangma habai karan bat kinong pathai khobor henne gasngi ka spotrek mataw banai no pra arjakat pra hennen gasngi ka spotrek mataw banai no pra arjakat pra hadin balawai ka jelang ulama ham ting baladalap ikino kinong khayidawyong ki bade pateng ki transport permit jongki seki waipan kingat hagi jingsha panchitom kat kum ka an But ulama hamru baka jingte yeki transport permit sekiwe pat kalong bean.
We have discussed quite in a length actually. I could not remember much, but we have the points. I think my officers, they have already write up a few points which need to be corrected. Okay. Now we know that there's been a hot discussion regarding the minor, even the major also. Okay, especially in Garo Hills about these stone quarries, sand and all. It's happening every now and then we are having a lots of problem, even because of those what do you call this one, projects which are been pending because of these resources. Okay, and because like our stones and all which are going outside, it's not been tapped. Instead of using in the locals, few of the miners, they're sending it outside. So we have already directed the department at least give some direction so that local domestic needs will be addressed first. That is one point. Another point is that especially about this coal, okay, those who got this TP transport permit in the name of those coal miners and all, they will not be allowed to sell it to others. Those who have taken it for their own, it should be for their mine only, not for others. They are taking it for like few thousands out here per permit, 11 to 12,000, but they are selling it outside for more than that. So if anybody or anyone who is found selling that TP for others will be penalized as per the law. If anyone is found selling that particular TP for others, like black ticket selling, those individuals will be penalized. We knew that those people who doesn't even have the coal mine also, what happened is that they are making it a business. Now they are taking this particular TP from here and selling it for the higher rate, which is totally illegal. That's why if anybody is found selling this particular TP for anyone, or if anybody is buying from that particular other, I think they will be taken into some consideration as per the law.